Welcome to v45.org. In this short video, I'll show you how quickly you can connect your Etsy shop to start using Listing Creator app. Type v45.org in your browser and press enter. Select Digital Art Listing Creator and Uploader for Etsy app. Click to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. After you're redirected to user profile page, click a link below your email address and click a button to connect with your Etsy shop. After logging into your Etsy account, you should click Grant Access. You'll be redirected to V45, and from now, you'll be able to choose your graphics for sale with Listing Creator. You can add more than one Etsy shop by clicking Connect New Shop and repeating the procedure. Before doing it, you should go to Etsy and log out from your current account and log into your second account. Repeat steps, grant access, and you'll be able to change your shop from drop-down menu at v45.org. You can add as many shops as you have and switch between them from one V45 account. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to watch other tutorials, and if you haven't done this already, subscribe to this channel.